Hello students, good morning all of you. Hope you all are doing great. So in previous class we have already discussed about your digital part and your binary part, and in today's class we will discuss about your microprocessor. Introduction to your microprocessor. What is your microprocessor? Just simple word, it's introduction. In simple layman language, the introduction of microprocessor is this is your symbol of micro and this is your processor. Microprocessor is a brain of computer. Everything of the system can be executed by the help of microprocessor or by microprocessor. Clear? माइक्रोप्रोसेसर इज ए ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर. जैसे कि ब्रेन हम लोग को इंस्ट्रक्शन देता है, जैसे कि ह्यूमन बॉडी में ब्रेन हम लोग को इंस्ट्रक्शन देता है, तो उसी के हिसाब से हम लोग काम करते हैं. जो भी काम होता है ब्रेन अकॉर्डिंगली आवर ब्रेन्स इंस्ट्रक्शन एवरी वर्क इज डन. At the same form, microprocessor is the brain of your computer. Everything of the system can be executed by the microprocessor. It is just a single chip. And it is present inside the motherboard. Clear? It is just a single chip. It is present inside the motherboard. Micro means very small. Okay. It is a very small chip, but it does a lot of operation. Suppose this is your computer. This is your motherboard. And inside the motherboard, your microprocessor chip is present. Okay. Clear? Your microprocessor is the brain of computer. Everything of the system can be executed by the microprocessor, just like our human body. In our human body also brain is the commander. According to brain's command, every single organs will execute the functions. Just like in computer or our system, microprocessor is the brain of computer. According to the instruction of the microprocessor, every functions are executed. Okay. And it is a single chip. It is present inside the motherboard. Clear? It is capable of processing the data. It controls all components in the computer. Just example, our memory, input output device, monitor, and so many external devices. In our real life, human brain is a very good example of microprocessor. And it always execute the sequence of instruction. Sequence of instruction means जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन हम लोग को दिया जाएगा वो एक प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस में होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी ए प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस. ओके. इट एग्जीक्यूट्स sequence of instruction. Then which sequence? Let's see the sequence. First it fetch, then decode, then execute. Okay, fetch means collect. First it collect the data, then decode. Decode means जो भी इनपुट हम लोग को दिया जाता है, दोज इनपुट्स आर इन हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज. हाई लेवल मीन्स इट इज़ नॉर्मल हम लोग का जो ABC लैंग्वेज है, जैसे कि C++, जावा, these are in these languages, and these languages are called as your high level language. And your computer always can understand your binary language. Okay, your binary language. So first of all we have to decode the language. Suppose you have given a high level language, your high level language, and that language is your example C, C++, Java. These are also called as your ABC language. Okay, then it converts it to assembly language, AL, assembly language. Then your assembly language is converted to your binary words. Okay, and your binary words is known as your machine language. Machine language. Then next step, your output is obtained or executed. The function is executed, then finally your output is obtained. And this total process is done by your microprocessor. Okay, first it fetch the data, then decode the data, then execute the data. So because we have the data it is fetched, the data it has fetched, it is in high level language, just like your C, C++, Java, and it convert it to assembly language, then it machine language, then output is obtained. Okay, after conversion of machine language it execute the programs, then after execution of the program we get the output. Clear? So these three sequential functions are done by your microprocessor. First it fetches the data, then decodes the data, then executes the data, then finally we got the output. These are the basic feature of your microprocessor. Then what is the, let's discuss again. Your microprocessor is a brain of computer, everything of the system can be executed by your microprocessor. Okay, and it is just a single chip, it is present inside the motherboard. Okay, it is capable of processing the data, it controls all the components in the computer, just like your memory, input out device, monitor, external devices. These are the devices. In real life our human brain is also works as microprocessor, because as for the instruction of our brain, every organ of our body can do their individual functions. So in the same manner in microprocessor, as per the instruction of the microprocessor, each and every part of your system can execute their own individual functions. Okay, then it executes the sequence instruction. And what is your sequence of the instruction? That is your, first it fetches the instruction, then it decodes the instruction, then it executes the instruction. And what is the meaning of decode? Because the input is given to the system is always in high level language, just like your C, C++, Java, and these languages is called as your ABC language. It converts it to assembly language, then binary language. Your binary language is known as your machine language. Then next step is it executes the program. Which program is given, then it executes the program, and finally we get the output. This is the complete procedure. Okay, this is the basic introduction part of your microprocessor, and in next class we will read about your components of microprocessor. Okay, thank you so much. Jai Hind.